Hey guys, it's U.S.A here, and today I am going to be installing a couple of parts on my two-wheel drive rustler. First off, the wheelie bar, nice. And second, the gearing, because it's just a bit too big to fit inside here. So yeah, it started grinding. This is a 54 tooth, and this is a 50 tooth. And also, I'm getting 20 tooth versus 17. So this will give me a higher top speed. So I'm going to get into the video. First, I'm going to remove these two screws. There's going to be one on this side and one on the other side. There would be three, but yeah, I lost it. There's going to be one right here. Sorry about the background noise. Okay, once you got that done, I was talking about missing one. Yeah, that's a missing one. So let's open this wheelie bar. It does come with plastic wheels, which I'm mostly not a fan of, because with plastic wheels you can, it's not that much good. So you also get screws. This is a screw that was missing. You get some instructions. Don't need those. It's the same way as taking it off as putting it on, basically. So you get a short one, a long one, and a medium one. I don't know if these are stainless steel. They're probably not. So all we gotta do is, if you can see, there's some rails on there. you have to slide it onto the chassis. The two longer screws go on this side, and the one shorter screw goes on this side. And they are Phillips head. A little trick that I use with Phillips head screws, I just use a flathead screwdriver just so I don't strip it. This wheelie bar is adjustable, so you can adjust the height, like if you want like high wheelie bars or wheelie bars, I'm sorry. If you want to have high wheelies, or if you just like the front tires planted on the ground, and the medium screw goes on this side. If you're wondering why I don't have a set of tires on the rear, yeah, this happened. I'm definitely going to upgrade those for some actual on-road tires, because those tires what were on there, they're like more designed for on-road, not on-road, off-road, because what I'm doing with this car is like basically trying to get it to 100 miles an hour. Yeah, that's the goal with this car. Okay, open up the gear, the spur gear. Going to use a 2.5 wrench. Then when you install it, you want to make sure that the outlines and all the lettering and stuff is facing this way. Make sure that you line up all the holes. Then get it screwed back on. Like I said, it will give it a bit more top speed. So the way that speed works on these cars is the smaller that you can get this gear and the bigger that you can get this gear, you're basically going to get more speed. So yeah. So here we have the pinion gear. There should be a screw in here somewhere. Right there. So in the package you get the gear and a small screw. Very small, don't want to lose that. Gonna take the 2.5 wrench, 2.0 wrench. Then loosen up the motor screws. Make sure that you can rotate the motor. Get this on there. Get your 1.5 millimeter wrench. Then gonna set this really tiny screw and put it on there. You want to make sure that you can get this tight as possible, but before you do that, you want to make sure that the teeth have as much contact as possible, like they're all lined up and stuff like that. So I'm going to make sure that they're perfectly meshed together. You should feel the slightest amount of click in between the spur and pinion. Nice and on there. And since this gear is smaller, it's not gonna grind up anymore, so I can now fit this gear cover on top of there without any problems, which is nice. And you should have another screw that goes on the bottom. But yeah, since I've been having this off, I think I lost it. In the next video, I will be installing a fan on the motor, and I'll also be getting some tires. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.